everybody, it's Long 13 here. Cheers. This is another Jeep repair. I'm replacing the exterior door latch for a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that I got. Hopefully they sent me the right one. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to get into it. So here we go. I'll move the camera and get started. Okay, here's the door latch that I'm replacing. It's all loose, and I don't like it. So first, you need to take the door panel off. Make sure your window's up. Okay, got all the bolts out. It's got these little pins here that go into the door, so you got to pop those out. The door handle is kind of a bitch, so you're gonna have to, there's a little clip that you're gonna have to take off. So I'm gonna remove this plastic here and see if I can get to what I need to get to. I decided to go ahead and remove this bracket here for your arm bracket, so I can move this plastic. I don't feel like cutting it, so I'm going to move this plastic so I can get to the door handle. I can reuse the plastic. Why? I don't know. I think it'll just keep it more. Okay everybody, it's hard to get in here, so it's hard to see, so I'll try to explain as I go. There's a pin here that I need to take off, and these little brackets here slide up, so I'm going to do that. Here's a little pin that you got to get out that goes to your there's a little arm, and this is what, when you open the handle, the arm that this keeps on is what opens your door. Okay, I got the handle out, and basically, see these little clips right here? You got to bend these, and then you need to slide this piece here up, which is this. There's one on each side. There's one on each side, and it's not easy to do because you're inside of a door. So basically, you got to take these out to get the handle out. So here's a new one, and I'm going to give it a shot. See, here's the little clips on here. See the little clips? So basically, I'm going to have to slide those back in. It's going to be fun. So I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, everybody, I got the new handle on. And there you go. Now I got to put the door panel on, and I am done. Okay, everybody, door handle works. And it's complete. It is finished. Everything works great. So there you go. Long 13 here, signing out.